Hello and welcome to today's video on English vocabulary related to job. In this video, we will cover some commonly used terms and phrases that you may encounter when talking about work and employment. Occupation. Let's start with the word occupation, which is another way of saying job or career. For example, what is your occupation? Or I am currently seeking a new occupation. Employment. Next, we have the term employment, which refers to being employed or having a job. You might use this word when asking someone if they are currently employed or talking about employment rates in a certain area. Salary. Moving on, salary is a word that you've likely heard before. It refers to the money that you earn for doing your job. For example, what is your annual salary? Or I received a raise in my salary this year. Benefits. Another important term is benefits. This word refers to the additional perks that may come with a job, such as health insurance, retirement plans, or paid time off. You might hear someone say, the company offers great benefits to its employees. Resume. When it comes to finding a job, your resume is a crucial document that showcases your skills and experience to potential employers. You might hear someone say, I need to update my resume before applying for any new jobs. Interview. If you're lucky enough to be invited to an interview, that means a potential employer wants to meet with you in person to discuss your qualifications for the job. You might hear someone say, I have an interview scheduled for next week. Promotion. Finally, a promotion is a term used when an employee is given a higher position or more responsibility within their company. For example, I received a promotion to manager last month. That's it for today's video on English vocabulary related to jobs. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any other words or phrases related to employment that you'd like us to cover, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.